Hello, everyone. Today is January 13th, 2021. This is the Kubernetes Data Protection Working Group meeting. So today, we want to talk about this, the first item here. We'd like to have some presentations from backup vendors. I think a while back, we invited Kasten to give a presentation on Canister. And Dave and Nolan will be talking about Velara in the next meeting. If anyone else want to give a presentation, please let Xiangqian and myself know. And then we'll just go over the caps. So I think we don't have a complete 1.21 release schedule yet, but we do see the cap merge deadline is 1 month away, February 9th. And then code freeze deadline is March 9th. So they're coming. And also, so this time in 1.21, the release team actually have changed the process a little bit. In the past, it was the release team who will be looking at all the open caps and go around and pin people working on those, trying to track each one of them. But this time, it's going to be the SIG leads who are tracking all the caps that are targeting 1.21 release. So if you are working on a cap, if you want that to be targeted for 1.21, please make sure SIG leads know about this and track it appropriately, track it in the tracking sheet basically. Yeah, let's go over the caps. So the first one is volume populator. Ben, do you want to give an update on this?
Am I off mute?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. Yeah. So the populator work is at the phase of I'm working on refactoring the actual example code for the how to implement a populator. So there isn't a sample that's not in a reusable form, and so my goal is to make it reusable so that the sample is just a very simple shim on top of a library that can be reused for all the populators. And aside from that, all the other patches are ready to go, and we just need to update the KEP and get it approved for 121, and then finish off these coding tasks, and we can move towards beta then. So yeah, I haven't been coding for the last 3 weeks, but this week I'm working on it.
Thanks. Okay, and the next one is Cozy. So I think we probably don't have anyone from the Cozy team here, but yeah, they have been busy working on it, still trying to bring it to alpha in 1.21 release. I think they're working on making a demo and also trying to improve documentation overall so that people who are interested can actually follow the doc and give a try. So I think that's the status for Cozy. And the next one is container notifier. So Xiangqian and I have been working on this. So we are working on updating the cap, trying to address review comments. Xiangqian, you want to give an update on this?
Sure. Basically, most of the comments were focused on how do we effectively represent the status of execution hook. The original idea was to have a pod selector in the top level notification. such that a user can specify a label selector to select the target pods to run a command or send a signal to. And in the corresponding notification status field, it will need to have an array or list of container notification status, because within a pod, there might be, first of all, there might be multiple pods matching the label. And then within a pod, there might be multiple containers containing the matching container notification. And that makes the status of the notification not easy to manage, and can grow very big if the selected pod universe is too big. And that brings us concern. This is actually creates concerns from various aspects, from performance to the size of the object. And what we are looking to do at this moment is to propose a single pod notification and having some kind of upper level controller to do the pod selection before that, so that we don't include too much burden into the core API, but rather have CRD controllers to do the orchestration. This is still in progress, and Xin and I are working on this. Once we have a more or less finalized idea or finalize the documentation, we will share with the team here. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks, Xiangqian. So the next one is voting group. Yeah, so we actually had a review meeting before the holidays. So I still need to update the CAP based on some of the comments that I got in that meeting. Yeah, so this is also ongoing. So that's all I have, actually. I don't have any other items on the agenda. Are there any anything you guys want to discuss here?
Are there any follow-ups from the white paper we want to work on?
Yeah, so the white paper, I actually started putting them together, but I think that still need some work, because it's like the different sections are at different stage. I think some sections are like in good, I think in a good state, and others need more work. So maybe I'll ping you offline and see if you can help with some part of that.
Yeah, happy to help. Let me know.
Okay, and also, oh, actually, you reminded me. So maybe Ben, maybe you can help with there is the section on voting populator. You can help with that.
Sure.
No, I was talking about I was just remembering there was a section about the voting populator. I just remember I should have pinged Ben about that.
So the volume populator.
I can ping you offline. So basically,
okay.
So we have that white paper, right? So there are like different sections. There's overview. There are use cases, and then there are like missing building blocks, right? So one missing building block is volume populator. So right now we don't have anything for that particular section.
Okay. Yeah.
So
yeah.
Just assign that to you. Yeah, I just remember that one is missing. And then do we have a? Yeah, I don't think we have a Elliot or Ulysses. So okay, yeah, for those sections, maybe Xiangqian can ping you offline those. There's a section about like I think it's a voting backup that we maybe need them to finalize those sections. And
I will follow up on that.
Okay. Yeah, Tom, I'll ping you offline. Yeah, there are some sections I think we still need some help. I think there's some sections on like QoS, right? So we have a lot of things there, but I think it's not very well organized at this point. Maybe you can help with that. So let me actually ping you offline.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Anything else? All right. If not, that's it for today.
Thank you.
have 45 minutes back. All right, thank you. And Happy New Year, everyone. This is actually the first meeting after the New Year.
Yeah, welcome back. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.